Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this gold or silver analysis filter on TikTok. So this is a popular filter in TikTok. With this filter, you can analyze you look better in silver or in gold. So to get this effect, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting this filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for gold silver okay, the first one, gold versus silver analysis, 97.1k videos. Just tap there. Okay, this is the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from the search, what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for gold versus silver analysis. Okay, so here you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want. Okay, so here in the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filters. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.